A very important part of working in any kind of graphics application is the ability to measure from one point to another point accurately. And in Coreal Painter, the way that we do that is using rulers and guides. So I'm going to go ahead and open up our rulers by going to Canvas, going to the Rulers submenu and saying Show Rulers. I'm also going to go back up to Canvas, Rulers, and I'm going to make sure that Snap to Ruler Ticks is turned on by default. And I'm also going to make sure that I come up to Rulers and go to Ruler Options. Now, under Ruler Options, you can change from pixels, inches, centimeters, points, and picas. I'm going to go ahead and continue working with inches, but you can change this to whatever you like. Hit OK. Now, the idea here, let me just go ahead and pull this out of the way so we can see, and I'll close that, is that our origin point is always going to want to start in the upper left-hand corner of the document. You can see 0 starts here and 0 starts here, and then we go in positive numbers to the right, negative numbers to the left, positive numbers down, negative numbers up. We can change that origin point by coming to the upper left-hand corner of the rulers, clicking and dragging out, and creating a new origin point. Now you can see 0 starts here and there. Now I can reset that by double-clicking up here in the upper left-hand corner, like so, and now we're reset back up to the upper left-hand corner. Now the idea with creating guides is pretty straightforward. If we click on the ruler and we pull down, you can see that I'm creating a horizontal guide. I'll create that one at 1 inches, and I'll create this one at, say, 2 inches. And then maybe I'll go ahead and create another one at, say, 1.5, and maybe I'll do one at 2.5, like so. So I can begin to create guides. Now let's say that I want to move that guide. I just go ahead and click on that guide like so, and now I can say, okay, I wanted that one at 3 instead. So I can move these guides around whichever place I want them to be. In addition, if we come up to Canvas and we go to Guides, you'll see there's a Guides submenu, and we can hide the guides and we can snap to guides. And we want to turn on Snap to Guides. And once we have that, now we can use various different tools, like say our rectangular selection tool, to snap to those guides and create very precise selections. Now if I just Control D that to deselect it, I can also use this for things like cropping to very precise sizes. I can also use this for doing very precise rectangular shapes, or even using the pen tool to create very precise shapes with points at particular spots on the canvas. For instance, let's just say I wanted to create one there and create one there like so, and then maybe another one there, and then close that shape off. So you can see that I can use these rulers and guides for very precise placement of points. I can also use this for doing things like text, where I want to align text to a particular line, or I want to align different graphic elements to a particular line. So these are incredibly useful tools, and I highly recommend that you get used to using them because they are going to come in extremely handy for you.